to my channel. My name is Ayana, and in today's video I have a very special video. I'm staying at a hotel, which is the London Leonardo Royal Tower Bridge Hotel. It's very long to say, but yeah, so literally just gonna give you a vlog of the room, and I might do a vlog later on. So yeah, so here's the starting off with the cupboard. Here is you know, like a nice little fridge, but it's locked at this moment of time because I remember the guy said for safety reasons. Here is, you know, some storage area, you know, and I believe it's the same on the other side. Yeah, we got an iron, etc., and obviously a safe. Now I'm just going to show you the bathroom real quick. So here's the bathroom. We've got a shower, yep, and a toilet, sanitized for my protection, and there's me. And then we got a sink, a nice sink with some, you know, products on the side, and the bath with towels. Yeah, so this is a bathroom. Oh, and I believe this mirror turns on. I'm not too sure how it turns on, to be quite fair, but we'll work it out. Yeah. So here's a mirror. Just, you know, hi again. And here is the storage bit area, whatever, and a TV. Yeah, with you know, some glasses and cups for coffee and stuff, and another mirror, with a light table. So this is just the desk area, and we have a seating area here alongside with a nice table and a sofa, and then the big gorgeous bed. Oh my god, guys, I love this bed. It's amazing, with these lovely lights that are connected to the actual mirror, and a simple handy dandy phone with some it on top of the dresser, and on the same on the other side as well. We have this lovely gigantic picture. But yeah, so now I'm just going to show you the view. The view is not that great, actually. No, it's all right. Yeah, here's the view. Oh my god, guys, honestly, we are at the 13th floor. When we was going in the lift, it was so scary. But yeah, so here's the view. Literally, you can see the whole of, well, near about the whole of London, but yeah, and down there. So yeah, so that is the whole bedroom tour. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment down below, and yeah, so bye.
God, please guide me right. She goes like, girl,